Hello friends, so again I welcome to all of you on my channel, and like in previous videos we have talked about first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth principles. In this video we will talk about rest three principles, that's the seventh, eighth and ninth principle. The seventh principle is about working software in the primary measure of a progress. The eighth principle we will talk about the agile process to support a consistent and development pace. And ninth principle, we will talk about attention to technical details and design enhances agility. What is the meaning of that? Why Agile is promoting those principles, those seven principles? What is the theory behind that? So we will talk about in detail about these rest three principles. So I welcome to all of you on this channel. My name is Nitesh, and I try to explain the things in a very simple way, so which helps you to understand Agile in a very layman language. Believe me, this is a wonderful journey for Agile. Once you will start learning about Agile, you will love the concept. Thanks a lot, and let's talk about the seventh principle, which is about working software in the primary measure of our progress. Ultimately, if you will look at the Agile, right, so they are focusing not only the delivery part, but on the quality of delivery, right? It is like two things we know, qualitative and quantitative, right? So both balance is very much required. We are in Agile focusing on working software. In the previous principles, you have seen that we were talking about the delivery, working softwares, right? So the same thing, it's extended. It is not the success about how much percentage of work we are giving. It doesn't matter if we are working very hard and we are working like anything, and we are not delivering the things. There is no use of that, right? Because client is only concerned with what they are getting, what quality they are getting. That's very important. In Agile, we measure the success by the product, what we have delivered, whether it is in a usable state or not. So that defines my success, which means the progress report is talking about when we are delivering the right thing, the right product to the right customer, right? That's very important. So development team work on a minimal viable features, that's MVP. We will discuss in another video. Instead of trying to perfect the complete feature set, or we talk about idea is to test first, release the useful product, and then go for the next release, right? So this is the seventh principle. Now let's talk about the eighth principle, which is agile process to support a consistent development pace, which means there is a repeatability and maintainability speed at which the development team can deliver the working software, and it should repeat till end of each release, right? Now, in traditional approach, we were talking about critical delivery, right? What happened in traditional approach? Like they first decide the timeline, right? And then what happens? Usually it happens. अगर आप देखोगे तो timeline मैंने जो decide किया, sometimes during the development वो time squeeze हो जाता है. फिर होता क्या है? We go in a compromise mode. Okay, testing will be finished in less time, right? So the things get squeezed. But in Agile, we support for a consistent development pace. Means the sprint, the release time is defined there. The user stories are defined there, which you have to deliver on a frequent basis, right? On a consistent way. So instead of creating a pressure to your team, we know what is the release time. We know which user stories, which tasks we are going to pick. What kind of a work, which kind of a team is going to work for that. So consistently we work on that and we deliver the product, right? So we have a realistic goal, we have expectation which is manageable, we have delivery which is on you can say consistent behavior with a quality product. So this eighth principle is talking about, instead of going on ad hoc mode or delivering in a very haphazard way. No, there is a proper sequence, proper channel to channelize the things very easily, and that is why I love the delivery in agile mode. Now let's talk about the ninth principle, which is about attention to technical details and design enhance agility, which means the right skill and good design to make sure the team is working in a very consistently and in a proper way. They should be having a clear knowledge, clear, you can say, concept about. So agile teams should not focus only on a feature what they are developing, but they are making sure they are delivering the high quality product, which is about addressing those existing technical debt. Now, what is the technical debt? One question can come here. So you can mention in the comment. I will explain those, what is the technical debt. And preventing its accumulation means don't compile the things, right? You work into a kind of a Scrum framework, and product owner can improve the item, increase the product quality, and teams should create a definition of tasks, right? That prevents any kind of accidental accumulation, right? So once you have a definition of that, there is a less chances that technical debt can be reduced, right? And why it is important? Why accumulation of technical debt should be reduced? Hence, the proper and smooth delivery should be there. And the thing is that teams should focus on technical part, right? So it is about design to enhance the agility, like your business, your technical agility is how to improve your delivery part, how to focus on a critical area, how to tackle the risky part. So that's a very important as per the effort. So that's why it is not important to deliver the good quality product, but also focusing on the technical part as well. And your technical part should not be compiled up day by day. Every release you should be, your product owner should give some space to do those technical things, and this can be reduced and should not be compiled up, right? So in this video we have seen about 7th, 8th and 9th principle. In next video we will talk about rest 3 principle, that's the 10th, 11th and 12th principle. That will be end for agile principle, and that will be agile principle part 4 that will finish. And after that I will jump on to technical work like MVP, MMP, technical debt, multiple other works which we do on day-to-day basis, right? So, and sometimes it is not easy to understand what is iterative and incremental. So I will try to explain those words in a simple way. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe it. If you have not liked the video, please like and share with your friends. I try to teach the things in a very simple language and try to help you to understand about the agile, because I learn from my experience, learn from a lot of mentors, learn from YouTube videos. Those have helped me, and my only intention is to help you to understand the concept for agile. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful time. Enjoy with your friends, enjoy with your family. Take care. Bye bye.